everybody. We want to wish a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from BochaSweet. We are really enjoying making Hispanic recipes, so today we're going to make something called Natilla and Buñuelos. Natilla is something like a custard and Buñuelos are like fritters. This is a very popular recipe for the holiday season and it's originally from Spain. But many countries as Colombia, Cuba, Nicaragua have adopted this recipe and it's a tradition for Christmas and holiday season. So we're gonna start making it and just try it at home and enjoy it. So here we have Natilla and Buñuelos, keto-friendly, sugar-free, gluten-free, and way more healthy than the traditional recipe. This is great for holiday celebrations as a dessert. You're really gonna like it. I just encourage you to try it at home. And well, that's it. From the bottom of our hearts, from BochaSweet, we want to wish you happy holidays. And please go to our website to find this and more recipes and all of our products that are out there for you at BochaSweet.com. Merry Christmas!